Another video of Bespoke Flooring Solutions Limited in London. This time we are going to weld new vinyl to old vinyl up the wall. With cup and cove we normally use capping, black color, white color, 100 mils up the wall, sometimes 150 mils up the wall, depends on the preference of the client. This time we are welding vinyl to vinyl, so there is no capping installed along the wall. With hot welding you need to take your time, depends on vinyl. Normally when it comes to polyfluor smooth vinyl we put it on 500 degrees and that welds very well. It doesn't burn as long as you have that steady movement, and make sure everything is melted into the both sides of the vinyl. Keep an eye on it, make sure you don't burn it. When you get to the end, just use the spatula so it prevents the heat to burn anything beyond that. Give 1 minute to cool down and then you can trim it all off. You can use a normal spatula or you can use this special welding cutter, Mozart we call it, made in Germany. So it has 2 layers. Use the first layer, which is with the spatula, to get rid of 50% of the weld, so there's no pressure on the weld rod. And then take the spatula off, use the sharp blade, press it with your pointed finger, simple as that. Cut the end with the normal spatula. Right, so everything is cut and done. Heat, and that will get rid of any scratches. Right, let's go a little bit closer. That's how it needs to be done, perfectly welded. It is difficult to heat weld vinyl to vinyl up the wall, so you need to practice first. As you can see, we've been welding all the way around in this operation room in a hospital, central London, and everything is done. Hope you've learned something. Good luck with whatever you do. Bespoke Flooring Solutions Limited.